Introduction to Docker and virtual machines.
Docker and virtual machines are both technologies used to run applications in isolated environments. Understanding the core differences between them can help you choose the right tool for efficient software deployment. In this video, we'll explore what makes Docker containers and traditional virtual machines unique, and how each can benefit your projects.
How virtual machines work.
Virtual machines operate by emulating entire computer systems, including their own operating system, using a hypervisor. Each VM can run a different OS, complete with its own resources like CPU, memory, and storage. This makes VMs highly flexible and suitable for running multiple, distinct environments on a single physical server.
How Docker containers work.
Docker containers use your system's operating system kernel to run applications in isolated user spaces called containers. Unlike virtual machines, containers share the host OS, making them lightweight and much faster to start. Docker bundles applications together with all their dependencies, ensuring consistency across environments.
Key differences between Docker and virtual machines.
One main difference: virtual machines virtualize hardware, while Docker containers virtualize only the operating system. This means containers are often more efficient, using less disk space and memory. VMs are ideal for complete isolation and different OS types, while Docker excels at rapid, consistent deployment and scalability.
When to use Docker or virtual machines.
Choose Docker for microservices, rapid scaling, and lightweight environments. Opt for virtual machines when you need full isolation, run multiple operating systems, or handle complex legacy applications. Both have their strengths. Knowing when to use each can boost your software deployment efficiency.